Can you prevent cancer by immunization? A vaccine stimulates and trains the immune system to recognize the enemy, not just infectious disease, but cancer cells too. Is it possible to prevent cancer instead of waiting for it to start and treating it? The answer is yes, but it's not possible to prevent with 100% certainty. It might be possible to reduce the risks, and today's vaccines can only reduce risks for specific cancer types. For example, in human medicine, HPV vaccine protects us against certain strains of virus that can cause cervical and vaginal cancer. Hepatitis B vaccine protects people from an infection that could lead to liver cancer too. How about a vaccine that can prevent all types of cancer? Universal or pan-cancer vaccine is the ultimate goal for scientists. It's not yet possible to prevent all types of cancer, but can a vaccine be created to reduce the risk for many of the most common types of cancer? For example, lymphoma, mast cell tumors, melanoma, and other aggressive cancers in dogs, and some of the top cancers in people as well. One researcher thinks it might be possible. Professor Stephen Johnston of Arizona State University created something called Frameshift peptide vaccine. This vaccine works by training the immune system to target neoantigens, or new antigens, that's found on the surface of cancer cells. These new proteins rise out of mutations, not in the DNA, but in the RNA processing. It turns out that RNA errors are much more common than DNA errors, and, for example, when nucleotides are accidentally deleted, the frame shifts over, creating wrong amino acids, resulting in unintended proteins that are associated with cancer. Professor Johnston's team went through thousands of these proteins and selected about 30 that were common across multiple cancer types. If it works, the vaccine is going to help the body stay vigilant against appearance of cancer cells with these abnormal proteins on the surface. In 2019, they launched a clinical trial partnering with 3 veterinary schools. They are enrolling 800 middle-aged dogs who will receive vaccine shots or placebos. Every dog will be monitored and get 2 to 3 checkups each year. Here's Fraser, one of the dogs who enrolled in the study at Colorado State University. University of Wisconsin and UC Davis veterinary schools are also involved in this study. So far, they've learned that the vaccine is very safe, and that frequent checkups are helping with early cancer detection. Professor Johnston thinks the vaccine looks promising, but they haven't shared or published any efficacy data. If you're interested, our website has more information about this and other life-saving cancer vaccines for dogs. Could this vaccine also be used as a therapeutic vaccine to cure existing cancer? Could other therapeutic vaccines, such as EGFR/HER2 vaccine, be effective as a prevention vaccine? Research will help answer these questions so that more dogs can enjoy long, healthy lives.